Let us start creating a bodycon dress. So instead of starting from the basic, we'll take the top and skirt. Let us see how to create a bodycon dress using the basic skirt and top. So there's an option called merge. If I go to edit pattern and then if I click on this and right click, there's an option called merge. So it creates a one single pattern. It merges the line that is between the two patterns. I can even merge the patterns also, that is the back side. You can just click on the center line here and right click on this, click on merge. So the lines get merged. If I don't want any partition between the dress, that is if you want a single piece, you can merge it like this. Now I have to merge top also. I want a uniform dress. So I'll click on the center line. I'll right click. Then I'll click on merge. The back part is being merged. Even the front. Right click, merge. Now I have to start stitching these two pieces. I can either start stitching this part to this part and again this part to this part, again back side twice. Instead of that, what I'll do is I'll just click on this point, delete this point and delete this point also and delete this point also. And I delete even this. So now I have a pattern which is uniform and I can stitch just twice. That is, I will click on shortcut N, segment 7. I'll show you on the 3D window. I'll just click here and double click. See, the patterns are being stitched now. If I had the point here and here, I would have stitched it from this part to this part, again from this side to this side. So now I can just stitch it as a whole. Now it's done. I click on simulation. Now the bodycon dress is created. If I don't want sleeve, I will delete it. You can even delete it from the 3D window also. I'll just click on delete. Again, just click on the pattern and delete. Click on the pattern, delete. Click on the pattern, delete. I'll be just having these patterns. I feel like it is a bit tight and just increase the curvature. Now the bodycon dress is